Hey there, just wanted to show you the updated version of the center finder tool. So this is the pocket center finder. Most center finder tools, the line here to get your line is going to be dead center. This is actually offset by half the diameter of an Ultra Fine Point Sharpie. So the idea being, when you go to mark your center of your disc, so if I take a coin here, you drop that into the back. You can see it goes into that pocket, and you want to rest it right against that inside edge. So you rotate this around. Now if you're just looking for center, you don't have to worry about your rotation or anything. You just want to strike two lines. So if we just were making a bell topper, you just draw a line, rotate it around, doesn't matter how far, draw your second line, and now you know that's going to be perfect center on the coin. So if you want to then use a center punch and mark that, you can also see here where that gets used for aligning a coin onto an impression die. So I've just got a vinyl target sticker on here, mark center, lay that coin down before it's domed, and align those crosshairs, and then that allows you to position your impression on the top there. That's also handy. You can see here on a guitar pick where center line gets marked, rotate, so there's your center mark, and then when that goes down on the impression die, and then slid down, because this is going to be a guitar pick, so I want the face to be down a little bit. But that's how I'm positioning those to get the impression rotated where you want it with the direction of the coin. So it's handy for that. The other thing you can do with this is if you're using a disc cutter and you want to draw your circle on there, depending on the size of your coin, you would drop this in, and I like to set this on the edge of a flat table. So you measure tabletop here, you're setting this on here, hold the Sharpie in one of these holes on the top, and depending on the size of the coin, you just find the hole to the size of the center you want. And then while holding the Sharpie, just use your thumb with your other hand to rotate the coin around underneath the marker. So let's see if I can show that with this to get you the idea. So if you pretend this is the tabletop, you've got the coin position there, hold the marker in the top, and then just like this, you're just going to rotate that around off the edge of the table, and that allows you to draw that center circle. So then you can take that over your disc cutter and visually look down in the top and see where your center is going to be. This also works with any size coin. So if you wanted to mark center even on something like a penny, just get that. It does have some guidelines just for visual to kind of give you an idea of are you rotating 90 degrees or not. So you can get your center mark there. So obviously it would work for blanks. So if you're working on just punches, to find center. That's pretty much it. So it's just a handy tool to have. Just wanted to show you this update. They were 3D printed before. Now doing these in, like I said, the multi-jet, so they're now nylon. These will be up on the site pretty soon here, and you have the option of getting it standalone or getting it with an Ultra Fine Point Sharpie, so you don't have to go hunting one down. So if you have any more questions or anything, just please let me know. Thanks.